There's no venturing into Indonesian cooking without this. Sweet soy sauce. Should I cook it or should I just order in? I realized pretty quickly if I wanted to stamp my culinary passport using recipes from this cookbook, this was the move, not the tourist route. Soy sauce, brown sugar, 1:1. Heat it up, let it bubble. 5-ish minutes later, it transforms into a thicker, darker sauce. Feels like it's the key to get a step closer to the real thing. Next up, chicken satay, using our sweet, thick sauce. This sauce deserves better than sitting in this jar. So should I cook it or should I just order in? You know, last time I made this sweet Indonesian soy sauce from scratch, and if I don't use it, then my curious effort will be a wasted one. So, chicken, coconut milk, that sauce, garlic powder, 30-minute soak or longer, and then thread it onto skewers. I had to snap these to make it work. Not perfect, but it kept things moving forward. Somewhere between grilling and drizzling with that sauce, I felt like I crossed into a foreign land. Yeah, this was worth it, but not complete, because on the plate there's this bright cucumber mix that I almost didn't make. Next up, do we skip it, or does it change everything? I thought I was just making a side to put in this jar. So should I cook it or should I just order in? You know, last time I made chicken satays, there was this bright relish sitting next to it. Was it worth making? Well, let's find out. A quick chop of cucumber, carrots, red onion. Now this was too big, so I had to go back and cut it smaller. Because this isn't a salad.
Okay.
Then white vinegar, sugar, salt. Into a jar or a glass container and let it sit. On its own, the relish is almost too much, but with the chicken and with the rice, it changes everything.